So hey, I'm Harold and this is
Zanity.
And today we're talking about
YouTube, one of my favorite things.
Yeah, how long have you been making videos?
I've been doing it for about a year.
Oh cool. So what kind of videos do you do? What are they about?
Like LPS and like reactions and drawings and playing my new ukulele, stuff like that.
What about games? You doing any recording any games for YouTube?
Oh yeah, I record games.
What kind of games?
Like Roblox, and I like doing Minecraft.
Oh, really?
I really like
Cool. So what do you think about the 4,000 hours of watch time you got ahead?
100%.
Really? And what do you think about the 1,000 subscribers?
1 billion %.
Oh, okay. So you think you're going to be able to get that pretty soon?
Yes.
So how often do you make videos? Do you have a particular day of the week or anything that you upload your videos or anything?
Nope, I just make them and upload them.
Make them and upload.
Whenever I want to.
Oh, okay.
What is your channel about?
Well, I do a lot of different things too. I do like the Cody Media Player, and I do how to repair automobiles and fix old cars and trucks up, make videos about them.
Do you do any Minecraft?
I did one Minecraft, but I wasn't very good at it, so I didn't do any more of those. Well, I do some music videos too, to teach how to play chords on the guitar and stuff.
I can teach you.
Thank you, I'm gonna need some help. Oh, well, I need help with that too.
I can teach you.
Good. Hey, what kind of videos do you like to watch on YouTube?
I like to watch Minecraft, Roblox, and people unbox stuff, and people draw stuff, like kind of the same things that I do.
Oh, okay. I do the same thing. I watch a lot of videos on how to make or how to play instruments and how to make better videos. I watch a lot of YouTube creator videos on how to make better videos. You ever watch those?
Nope, haven't even heard of them.
Oh wow, well, I gotta show you how to do that because it helps a lot.
Teach me the way.
I will teach you the way. So anyway, I'm Harold and this is
Zanity!
And we're just making this video to let you know that we both have channels up and what she said, and we have fun doing it. So if you don't have a channel, 99% of the people that watch videos don't have a YouTube channel and can't subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe to YouTube, subscribe to our channel, and give us a thumbs up and ring the bell. And we're both going to upload this video, so there'll be a copy on her channel, and there'll be a copy on my channel, and hers will be hers, and mine will be mine, and that's the way it'll be. So anyway, you guys have a fantastic day, and what do you say?
Peace out.